I want to confirm that all the 9,000 students you see here are most deserving, and that there is another layer, or maybe another 9,000 or so, but we should not worry about them. We have the CDF, the national government CDF, where politicians should not give and dish these scholarships according to their cronies. I would want to persuade them to ensure that they go where the rubber meets the road. Because if you give a scholarship to a child whose parents can afford, you have wasted that money. And the money is not yours, it belongs to the government. So give it to the government child that requires it. We also have county governments who should also emulate Dr. James Mwangi as they look at how they award the scholarships. One may argue that do we consolidate all scholarships under one government management? My most humble opinion is that we are not ready for that now. We must not interfere with what Dr. James Mwangi is doing. And finally, I'm going to urge the various organizations like the KCB Foundation, through my brother and friend Oigara, I'm going to persuade him. Last year he gave us 50 scholarships. But I'm going to persuade him to give us either 200 or at the very worst another 100. And we shall look at some of the students who did not acquire scholarships here, who have already been processed, so that they benefit from them. And we agreed, having consulted His Excellency the President, and he concurred, and he said we should prorate downwards, because the term is going to be 9 weeks less. That is for the boarding schools. And the money, the government pays for everything except the food that the child is eating and the boarding. So if you are not boarding for 9 weeks, then there is a saving. And if you are going to eat back in your house for the 9 weeks, you don't have to pay at school. So we came to a generous midpoint where we say, for national schools, you pay 8,500 shillings less. And for all the other schools, you pay 5,500 shillings less.